Let us see how to load batteries in Apollo Pharmacy fully automatic APRAMS type blood pressure monitor. This is the blood pressure monitor. When you turn it, you will find like this. Just push it like this. See. Now when you closely watch here, see, here at this place it is showing, see, positive and negative. Positive and negative. Here negative, again positive, again negative, again positive. You can simply say, see, the spring one is negative, this is negative, this is negative, and this is negative. Let us load the batteries. These are the Duracell, long lasting. And four cells. Now let us load. This is the positive side and this is the negative side. And the battery model is AAA. MN2400 1.5 volts LR03. Now, as I have shown earlier, so this is the positive, this is the negative. First place the negative. Yes, here. And again place the negative. And again place the negative here. And again place the negative here. And place the cover here and lock it. Now switch it on. Now it is ready for use. I hope this YouTube video is useful and helpful. Let us meet again.